she was like freaking hot shit, and she would sing really loud, and people would laugh. Then when she was done, they'd be like, "Yeah, Ida, woo!"
How was she singing?
Huh?
How was she singing?
How was she singing? You heard how I was singing.
Well, let's sing it again.
Crazy, crazy for feeling so lonely. I'm crazy, crazy for feeling so blue. My favorite was Killing Me Softly. I do that one really good. I love the part when it goes to oh, that's how you sing it too.
Strumming my pain.
Strumming my pain with his fingers. You better not be recording. Singing my life with a sword. Killing me softly with a song. Killing me softly with a song. Telling my whole life with words. Killing me softly with a song.
That was awesome.
I felt all flush with fever and about a spot of crowd. I felt he found my letter and read each one out loud. I prayed that he would finish, but he just kept right on, strumming my pain with his fingers. Singing my life with his words. Killing me softly with a song. Killing me softly with a song. Telling my whole life with his words. Killing me softly with a song. My mom was a rock star. Babe, I'm going to live forever. I'm going to learn how to dance, babe. Oh shit, man. She was a freaking rocketeer at the